Hello everyone, my name is Akash Tarpada. Uh, Today I'm going to talk about my experience with ELP. When I was searching about ELP on LinkedIn, I came across ELP, and when I searched about ELP, I came across two courses which I'm really interested in. The first one was power system analysis using ETAP software, and another one was substation designing. The both courses were really nice, and I revised everything which I learned from my bachelor's, and it was really nice experience for me. Moreover, the support from the coordinator and instructor was really pleasant. They really helped me whenever I needed them. I fully recommend ELP courses to everyone, uh, so that you can revise your knowledge and you can learn more in depth about uh, anything you want in substation designing and ETAP software. And there are many courses available as well for learning. So overall, my experience with ELP was really great, and I really enjoyed my time with ELP. Thank you.